Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. It looks like I got a CP train here at Cedar Park Station at about 5:30 p.m. Standard Time in Montreal. It's November 10th, 2022. Here it comes. Double stack train. This train is heading eastbound. It'll probably slow down once it hits Dorval. There's a DPU. Looks like an AC 4400 CWM. This one's just roaring right through. I saw a flashing yellow light, so I figured there was something coming. But of course, with standard time, now everything's in the dark. You want something in the light, you're gonna have to get up early and get out for it. At 4 o'clock, everything is starting to get dusk. And here it is like 5:30, and it's already dark. I can't complain about the weather. It's pretty fantastic today, like 17 degrees, no wind. For November, that's like unheard of here in Montreal. Oh, here are the auto racks. Oh, cool. Yeah, if I was standing up, I would have got that Via train as well. Yeah, I was sitting on this bench. Well, that's cool. There's another DPU in this train, so this is kind of a double train then. CP 118, I believe. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. And that's the end. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. I don't think I've ever gotten a night train here at this station before, Cedar Park. Have a good night.